Planning application. Hey there, property investors. When it comes to making smart decisions, planning application data is a game changer. And guess what? PropMarker makes it super easy for you. Now here's where PropMarker steps in. We gather all the planning application data from different councils and put it in one handy place. No more hopping around. Everything you need is right here. Looking for planning applications is a breeze on PropMarker. You pick a council, narrow it down with a postcode, and use filters with specific words for spot-on results. You can even filter properties by 2 years or 5 years to see who applied for planning permission recently. Just choose 2 years from the drop-down, and boom, properties under 2 years pop up, showing where planning applications were made in their respective councils. Get ready for details. PropMarker gives you the lowdown on each planning application: property address, reference number, application status, planning description, and agent info. Click on a property, and you're in for a treat: sold history, comparables, area insights, and more. But wait, there's more. Our letter management tool is a cool feature. Do you need to send a letter to a property address or the agent? No problem. Just click Add to Print, and you're good to go. In a nutshell, PropMarker is your go-to buddy for property investing. It's a user-friendly spot where you can easily check out planning application data and dig into detailed property info. So let PropMarker be your guide in this property adventure.